there you go, have me starting off taking off one of the ignition coil wires. You want to do this job one at a time as far as taking off the wires, that way you can know the routing. I have a 5/8 in extension and my ratchet to take out that spark plug. Again, you just want to do it one at a time. One at a time, you'll be able to get the routing back for all the spark plugs. Now, if you don't have a magnet to get the spark plug out, you can use the old spark plug. A little trick: fish it down there and bring the old spark plug out once it's loosened. Again, now we use NGK spark plugs with these Asian vehicles, so we go back in with the NGK spark plug. We want to fish it down there with our hand, drop it down there. Not drop it, but fish it down there, and try not to drop it because we don't want to break the spark plug. We hand tighten it first, making sure our threads line up, and we tighten our spark plug. Once it's all the way hand tight, we give it a little bit more turn, make sure it's tight, make sure your spark plug is not too loose and not too tight. Too tight, it'll break off. Too loose, it'll shoot out of there. As far as your wiring, we put our new wire back. Again, we did this one wire at a time, one spark plug at a time. That way we knew our routing and we would not get that mixed up. Now, this spark plug over here, I did have an issue with. It did not want to come out for me, so more of you'll see here later that it didn't come out as easy as the other one. So when that happens to you, if it happens to you, you can use a pair of pliers, get down in there, twist the plastic that's down in there. You'll see in the video, you'll twist it from side to side, and then you can eventually pull up on it. See right there, it didn't come out like the other one. The other came out smooth, and this one is actually broken apart. And I pulled up on that wire, and the wire actually did break. You see me giving you an example of the third one right there. I just twist and turn, and it came out perfectly. This one over there, the second one I was trying to take out, did not do it. See again on this fourth one, I twist and turn, and it pulled out. This one did not pull it out. So what I did is got a pair of pliers, and got down there, I twisted, as you can see right there. Once the twist, and pull the rest of that boot out. Again, that wire broke on me, so all I did is got a pair of pliers, twist, pull out, that deal came out. So if you run into that, that's how you get it out. Again, we go in with our 5/8 and our extension and our ratchet. Easy job, guys. I was probably done in like 10 minutes or so. Charged the customer $50. I think that's pretty good. Dealer would have charged about $100 labor, and then of course with parts and stuff like that. You know, we try to keep it fair. We do keep it fair. We don't try to keep it fair. We do keep it fair. We compare our prices with the competition, and we make sure our prices are always going to be lower. So there you go again, me giving you another example of how to take that spark plug out with the 5/8 extension and the ratchet. Twist that guy out, put another one back in, fish it out with the of course with the spark plug, the old spark plug boot. Fish that deal down there with your finger, and we twist that guy back in there. Again, guys, this job is very simple, and this is how you want to do it, step by step, one wire at a time. You don't want to go in there crazy and just take off all the wires, because then you're gonna have to go on YouTube and search a video of somebody having that routing, or you know, if they have the routing down. So you just want to do one coil at a time, one spark plug at a time, and of course the one furthest away from the sorry, I had a little brain fart over there. The one further away from where my hand is right there, the one that the ones that's further away, like say the first one I did, it will be the longer ignition coil, and you know, and then you know, next. Okay, here we go right here. The check engine light was on. We raced the check engine light, and the customer is pretty much good to go.